The Supreme Court is looking into ways to speed up trial of corruption cases lodged before the Sandiganbayan. In an exclusive interview with CNN Philippines, Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno says the High Court is now reviewing proposals from justices of the Anti-Graft Court. She says changes in the Sandiganbayan's internal rules may be necessary to ensure cases can be speedily resolved. The Chief Justice is firm on her position that the people will not see justice if cases drag on for years, especially if they involve high-ranking government officials.
It has to be an entire community coming together because we cannot have an anti-graft court that will hear evidence for a decade nearly, and when all the originals cannot be testified to anymore by the witnesses simply because they have moved on to other assignments or they may even be dead already. That is a far cry from what our people expect.
The Chief Justice says adding more divisions at the Sandiganbayan will help. Earlier this year, President Benigno Aquino has signed into law a measure adding 2 more divisions to the 5-division anti-graft court. This will allow the Sandiganbayan to efficiently resolve cases that have piled up over the years. Sandiganbayan Presiding Justice Amparo Cabotaje Tang is hopeful additional divisions will help the anti-graft courts dispose of more cases at a timely manner. But as far as the Chief Justice is concerned, adding 2 more divisions is not enough. To expedite cases, Sereno says vacancies in the government's prosecutorial arms should be filled as well. Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales has said her office is understaffed and that there are too few state prosecutors handling cases at the Sandiganbayan.
We have to go through a rigorous process of ensuring that when a case is filed in court, it's really ready for trial. Because that is what we want. You file something in court, then let's proceed to trial and let it be a continuous trial. Not one where we have trials dragging on for 7 years because you have resettings, 5 months, 6 months, 8 months at every session. No, our dream is that once the preliminary conference and the pre-trial have already been agreed at, you already set all the dates and then we proceed immediately.
Sandiganbayan Presiding Justice Tang said they are just waiting for the High Court's approval of their revised rules for a speedy delivery of justice. AC Nichols, CNN Philippines.